I am KMS Sailaja Rani, lecturer in Computer Science, YA Government Degree College for Women, Chirala. In this video, we will learn about the objectives of the software process, the generic process framework for software engineering, and umbrella activities. For suppose, if a computer lecturer asks the student to prepare a computer record, then student will consult the lecturer for format and to understand how to write it. This is an activity done by the student. After understanding, student will take actions to build the computer record. The student will write problem definition in step 1, then find out the inputs to solve the problem and write in step 2. Then writes the algorithm for the problem in step 3. Then draws the flow chart for the problem in step 4. Then writes the program for the problems in step 5. Finally, student will enter the program in the computer and execute it. Then writes the output in last step. From step 1 to step 6 are nothing but the actions taken by the student to prepare a computer record. Student has to write 10 such programs to complete a record. Here, each program is a task. Whether it is a software process or a general process, definition is same. Now, see the definition of a process. A process is a collection of activities, actions and tasks that are performed when some work product is to be created. Now, know the definitions of the activity, action and a task. An activity tries to achieve a broad objective, example, communication with the stakeholder. An activity is applied regardless of the application domain, size of the project, complexity of effort, or degree of rigor with which software engineering is to be applied. An action encompasses a set of tasks that produce a major work product. Example for action is architectural design and example for work product is an architectural design model. A task focuses on a small but well-defined objectives that produces a tangible outcome. Example, conducting a unit test. In software engineering, a process is not simply a rigid prescription to build software. In software engineering, a process is an adaptable approach that enables the software people to choose the appropriate set of work actions and tasks. The purpose of process is to deliver software in a time with acceptable quality. The process framework establishes the foundation for complete software engineering process. Besides frame activities, a set of umbrella activities are also encompasses across the entire software process. Now see the generic process framework. A generic process framework for software engineering encompasses 5 activities. They are communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment. Now come to the first activity, communication. Commencement of technical work starts with the communication. Communication is important to communicate and collaborate with customers and stakeholders. The purpose of communication is to understand stakeholders' requirements and their requirements for project to define software features and functions. Now come to the second activity, planning. Software project plan defines the software engineering work by describing the technical task to be conducted, the risks that are likely, the resources that will be required, the work products to be produced, and a work schedule. Come to the third activity, modeling. A software engineer will refine the problem and its solution by creating models to better understand software requirements and the design that will achieve the requirements for the project. Now come to the fourth activity, construction. Construction includes the both code generation and testing to uncover errors in the generated code. Now come to the fifth activity, deployment. The software is delivered to the customer for evaluation and feedback. All these 5 generic framework activities can be used during the development of small simple programs to large complex computer based systems. The software process may quite different but framework remains the same. For many software projects, framework activities, that is communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment, are applied repeatedly through number of project iterations. Each iteration produces a software increment. This software increment will provide the features and functionality of the software product to the stakeholders. Software engineering process framework activities are complemented by a number of umbrella activities. Umbrella activities are applied throughout a software project and help a software team manage, control the progress, quality, change and the risk. The umbrella activities are software project tracking and control, risk management, software quality assurance, technical reviews, measurement, software configuration measurement, reusable management, work product preparation and production. Now see each of the umbrella activities. Software project tracking and control. Software project tracking and control allows the software team to assess progress against the project plan and take any necessary action to maintain the schedule. The second umbrella activity is nothing but the risk management. Risk management assesses the risks that may affect the outcome of the project or the quality of the product. Third umbrella activity is the software quality assurance. Software quality assurance defines and conducts the activities required to ensure software quality. The fourth umbrella activity is the technical reviews. Technical reviews assess software engineering work products in an effort to uncover and remove errors before going to the next activity. Now come to the fifth umbrella activity, that is the measurement. Measurement defines and collects process, project and product measures. These measures assist the team in delivering software that meets stakeholders' needs. Measures can be used throughout all the framework and umbrella activities too. And come to the sixth umbrella activity, that is software configuration and management. Software configuration and management manages the effects of change throughout the software process. Now come to the reusable management. Reusable management defines criteria for work product reuse. Reusability management also establishes mechanism to achieve reusable components. And last umbrella activity is the work product preparation and production. Work product preparation and production encompasses the activities required to create work products. The work products may be models, documents, logs, forms and lists, etc. Now come to the summary of this video. In this video, we learn the definition of the process. A process is nothing but a collection of activities, actions and tasks that are performed when some work product is to be created. In this video, we also learned the generic process framework for software engineering that encompasses 5 activities. They are communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment. The communication is an important to communicate and collaborate with the customer and stakeholders. The intent is to understand stakeholders' objectives for the project and to gather requirements that help define software features and functions. Software plan defines the software engineering work by describing the technical task to be conducted, the risks that are likely, the resources that will be required, the work products to be produced and a work schedule. In the modeling, a software engineer does the model to understand the problem to the stakeholders. A software engineer does the same thing by creating models to better understand software requirements and the design that will achieve those requirements. In the construction, the activity combines code generation and the testing that is required to uncover errors in the code. In the deployment, the software delivered to the customer and who evaluates the delivered product and provides feedback based on the evaluation. And finally, we learn the umbrella activities. Umbrella activities applied to manage and control progress, quality, change and risk, software project tracking and control, risk management, software quality assurance, technical reviews, measurement, software configuration management, reusable management, work product preparation and production are the umbrella activities which we are seeing in this video. Thank you. Happy learning.